YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, today's reading is meant to see your energies and the events that are about to happen for all of you for the coming week. So this reading is timeless, and whenever you happen to click on this reading from that particular day to say a time frame of 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. So we are going to see the energies for all of the zodiac signs for the coming week, and we begin with the first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries. So dear angels, what are going to be the energies for my Aries zodiac sign friends for the coming week? Aries zodiac sign, how is the coming week going to be? Okay. I was sensing already that there is going to be some kind of conflicting energies around you. Very much. I was sensing very much of this anxiety, this ego, this fighting. Some kind of an energy around you wherein either you or somebody around you wants to win over a situation by hook or crook. Okay, so here I feel it is not as bad as that. Here I feel for my Aries friends that in this coming week I feel that the start of the week is going to be such that you're going to feel a lot of conflict in your energy, a lot of negative thinking, a lot of ego in concern to a situation or a person. And from the mid of the week, say from the Wednesday around, you are going to calm your energies. Might be you take healings from my YouTube channel and heal your solar plexus chakra so that you operate from the center of your heart, that is love, and then you start to feel satisfied, contented, and happy for the rest of your week. So it is also possible that there is a situation on your mind wherein you are wishing for some kind of a victory, success, name, fame. It is possible that you have a certain interview or you have certain exams. There is a certain situation in your relationship also, might be some kind of a competition that is happening, ego clashes, or there is a situation in your work area as well wherein you have competition with your other colleagues. And for in this environment, initially I feel that you are feeling some kind of a stress in your mind, but I see a wish fulfillment being granted in this week for you. And so the rest of the week, from the mid of the week, the rest of the week is going to be very, very prosperous for you. So we have a card over here, dear friends, which says someone will try to make you do something against your will. Yes. So this is a person, might be with whom you have this ego clash, who is trying to make you do something against your will. And this person can be a Libra, Gemini, or an Aquarius person, or a Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio person. Then we have another card which says tortoise, slowly but surely getting ahead. Yes. So dear friends, if this person is expecting a very fast paced change from you, or he or she is insisting you to do a certain thing in a certain manner, the universe is suggesting that you don't have to give in to their wills and fancies, and rather move as per your slow and steady rate, and success is assured for you anyhow. So this is a week of a wish fulfillment and success, and here we have the energy of love. So this can be in regards to love also. So love is manifesting for you in this week. So dear friends, I feel if there was a conflict in your married life also, I see healing coming towards you. Initial Monday, Tuesday, initial start of the week can be a bit conflicting for you, but I see success coming towards you, satisfaction, love, peace, harmony. So eventually the week starting from Wednesday until Sunday looks very, very satisfactory for you. Okay, so I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Just keep your egos aside and operate from love. Moving on to the next sign. So moving on to the next sign, that is the sign of Taurus. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. How the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends, dear angels. How the coming week. Wow. Lot of healing is coming towards my Taurian friends. There can be an offer of soulful joy and also coming. I see your heart chakra healing. There are invitations of some kinds coming for some people. I see you coming back in union with your soul, with your higher self. It's a week of a lot of healing happening to you. There can be a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean person who is evident in this week. Let's see. Very, very beautiful cards for my Taurian friends. I feel that there is an offer of a financial benefit, either of some kind of a business opportunity manifesting, or for some people this is an offer of a job or a profession coming towards them, about something that they are very passionate to do in their life. Might be initially you feel that this offer, I will not be able to perform my 100% for this offer which is coming towards you, but I'm telling you, my Taurian friends, that you are a leader by nature. You are 100% ready to make the best of this opportunity which is coming towards you, which can lead to some kind of a financial abundance also. For some of my Taurian friends, there is a manifestation of a property or a heredity money that is coming from their parents or in-laws towards them. For some of my friends, there is an offer of marriage which is coming from a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Cancer, Piscean, Scorpio person, and this is an offer of an arranged marriage in a joint family which can manifest very blissfully for you. And in all of this week, you are being guided by divine. Your intuition is very high. Your third eye chakra is opening. Now what you have to do is completely listen to your intuition. Keep your mind aside, keep your heart aside. Just what your soul urges you, what your soul says to you, you have to listen to that. So for some people, there can be an offer of some kind of a healing coming on their children or their family as well. It's a very, very blissful week, very, very prosperous time for you. Yes, and we have a card over here, dear friends, which says Eagle, triumph over troubles, obstacles. I see you being like a superstar in this week, coming back into your power, coming back into your seductive, productive nature. Then there's another card which says bright period of prosperity and abundance. Yes, I see you healing your lower chakras, your root chakras, your sacral chakras, your heart chakras, which are opening your gateways for your creativities, your passions. Then there is a card of mountain which says major challenge to overcome. I feel that with this proposal, you can feel that this is a big kind of a challenge for you. But what I feel is that you are ready, dear friends. Keep taking your healings. Definitely, Knight of Cups is a knight who brings a lot of healings. It can be in relationships. Yes, love partnerships, offers of love partnerships are heading towards you. You're opening your heart, you're balancing your sacral chakra. Go for this love partnership, dear friends. It's a beautiful week for you, and I wish you all the best. I see money manifestation happening for you. I see love happening for you, and I see prosperity, success as well. You opening up for new offers which are passionate for you. So it's a very blissful week for you. Make the most of this week. Lots of love and best wishes to all my Taurian friends. And now we are going to move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Gemini. Let's see what is the guidance for our Gemini friends. Let's see. So, dear angels, how is the coming week going to be for my Gemini friends? How the coming week is going to be for my Gemini friends? Okay. Strength. Wow. Amazing. Strength over a heartbreak. Okay. Let's see. So for my Gemini friends, there is a situation around them. It can be related to some kind of a commitment with regard to their home, their offices, their business environment, or might be some kind of a concern about the health of their parent that is there on their mind. And in this in the past few weeks, I see that you were feeling very much as if the divine was with you. You were being blessed in this week. Initially, the start of the week, that is from Monday until Wednesday, we see you very strong, infinitely connected to the divine, having a lot of courage, strength, compassion, victorious, kind of in having a Leo kind of energies, and enduring very well in whatever you want to pursue. From the midweek, that we say from Thursday, Friday towards the end of the week, we see the energies of the Three of Swords, which tells me that there can be a situation with regard to either your parent, your home, wherein you feel a bit of disheartened, a bit of some kind of a heartbreak kind of an energy. The zodiac signs of Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Gemini, Capricorn are being very evident in this week for you. Let's see what is it all about. Let's see. So from the starting to the mid of the week, you are very strong, your health is very good. From the mid towards the end, there can be some kind of a problem with regard to your heart or mind. Might be there is some kind of a negative thinking or a sad situation that you are. So they say a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Wow, this is a very positive card. So I feel that some of you are going to heal your heart chakra, and you are manifesting a marriage or a commitment with a Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, whatever signs I said, that sign person. Or there is going to be a healing wherein a job or a business can manifest for you, but somewhere you are feeling disheartened. I don't know why your energies are such. Yeah, so they say kangaroo, unsettled time, need to plan ahead. Yes, so might be there is some kind of a trip that is required of you for this commitment with your family or your work area, or might be your parents' health or something. And so they say there is kind of an unsettled time that is happening from the midweek towards the end, wherein you are feeling a bit of heartbreak also. But this is a very minor energy and you're going to overcome. However, it is a period of joining your partners. So it is a period of commitment, reconciliation. For some of my friends, marriages can be fixed. For some of my friends, job offers can be confirmed. So all in all, a good week. Yes. Let's see what's your guidance message. I suggest you take heart chakra healings for this week. Completion. Yes, dear friends, so there is a completion of a cycle or a certain project, something that you were doing in this month or in the month of February. That period is complete now and you have to move back to your place, might be, or your projects, or might be it is completion of a cycle for some of my friends, wherein because of their strength they have been able to come out of the hardships, and now they are good commitments are coming towards them, good opportunities of work are also coming towards them, and good health is manifesting for them and as well for their parents. So I wish you all the best. And oh yes, for some of my friends are starting their spiritual awakening journey. So that kind of a soul connection is happening, wherein you have to open your heart chakra to manifest this connection with divine. Yes, okay, so now we'll move on to the next zodiac sign. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian sign friends. Let's see what are going to be the energies for all of my Cancerian sign friends for the coming week. Coming week for my Cancerian friends. Let's see how the coming week. Okay, let's see. Okay. So there is a situation for my Cancerian friends, some of them, wherein they want to escape a certain situation. Something is happening around them which they don't want to pursue. They want to escape from that certain situation. For some of my friends, it can be relationship based, that they are stuck with some such relationships that they want to move away from a certain partner. Or might be for some of my friends, there is a situation like of joining offices, wherein they don't want to join a certain office or move away from that particular situation. And in this week, this is a very, very, very major week for my Cancerian friends. And just from the beginning of the week, we see that there is a certain cycle that is ending in their life, and this was a very painful cycle. And let's see what was painful in this cycle that is ending in their life. Let's see. It seems that there was a situation which was really bothering them. For some of my friends, literally there was a connection with a woman who was very very toxic, and who was not offering any kind of love, who was deceptive around them. And so a cycle is completing wherein they are getting to know clearly now that this woman was a cheater, and she was backstabbing the partnership. Something of the sort is happening. And so in the beginning of the week itself, this person, there is going to be a situation wherein you will know that you were being backstabbed, you were being cheated by a certain person or a company or a scenario, something like that was happening. And then you are going to become courageous from the mid of the week, and you are going to somehow try to speak with this person and try to communicate. It can be a scenario in your relationship, it can be a scenario in your office areas, your businesses also, wherein you will try to communicate with this person about your concerns. But this person is very very difficult to communicate with. And towards the end of the week, say from Thursday Friday, we see you back. Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday, we see that an offer of love or some kind of an offer of soulful joy comes towards you. So in this week, I see that certain areas of your lives which were hidden from you are going to be open now. Some secrets are going to be revealed to you. Then they say too much concern with sexual matters. Yes, there was a person around you who had too much concerns with regard to sexual matters, and you were frustrated, or it is possible that you have these concerns with regard to your health. And in this period, this week, either there can be an offer from a healer or a doctor which is coming towards you, and so you are being able to heal your sacral chakra and these concerns. Or might be you have finally decided to get away from your partner, or a situation in a company also where there was deception, where there was a person who wished to take sexual favors from you, and you are wishing to move away from this person now. And they say pleasure with a close friend. So eventually you will decide to move towards love, peace and harmony, towards friends who are like-minded. From say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I see that you are going to be in your own energies, enjoying your time with people who are like-minded for you, and you are eventually going to decide to move away from this person. You are going to cut your cords from this person or a situation which was causing you a lot of stress. Yes, so we have the energy of love over here. Definitely for some of my friends, there is a concern of love on their mind. And so in this week, I see that either you will be able to communicate and end this toxic relationship, or you will be able to move out of this situation which was causing you a lot of distress. So in all aspects, I see that my Cancerian friends were trying to run away from a situation or move away from a person or a situation which is causing them a lot of mental stress. And this situation, and I had a burp also, I'm clearing your energy, in this situation is going to end in this week, and a proposal of soulful joy will come. You're going to have a triumph over this person or this lack situation that was there, which was not giving you happiness. You're going to cut yourself from this person or this situation which was secretive, which was causing you a lot of trouble. And from the mid towards the end of the week, I see that definitely there are going to be offers of soulful joy, not one, two offers, and you're going to take up these offers and move away from the negative people in your life. For a health concern, I feel that in the initial, for people who are going through health problems, I feel that initial, from the start of the week till the mid of the week, I feel that there can be situations wherein you feel back aches, or there is some kind of a struggle that you are facing with your health, and no matter how much healing you're taking, or no matter how many doctors you are going to, but somewhere you are not getting this clarity or healing. But from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I feel that there will be some kind of a healing that will come towards you. So I wish you all the best, my Cancerian friends. It's a bit complicated, but definitely a cycle is completing and you are coming out of from yes, we see the World card and the Death card, and something that you were waiting for is going to manifest for you in this week, definitely. But before that, you have to end the loose ties with some of the people who were feeding on your energies. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes, my Cancerian friends. So moving on to the next sign, that is the sign of Leo. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Leo friends. Let's see what are the energies of the coming week for my Leo friends. What are the energies of the coming week for my Leo friends? Okay, so the energies of my Leo friends, for some of my friends who have marriage commitment on their mind, I see that their partner is in isolation and is not in communication with them, and they are wishing some kind of a communication from this partner, but the situation is such that they are in an introspective mode and they do not wish to communicate with you. This is with regard to people who are looking for love and communication. And for some of my other friends who are looking for some kind of an upgrade in their work area, might be business, profession or job, they are being guided to look for more options, look deeper for more options, and connect, take guidance from your father, your elder brother, or might be even a boss in your current company. Might be they are going to help you in giving you guidance. This is a week of happiness for some of my friends. Wow, beautiful flowers, bouquets. I see an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpion person being evident for you in this week. This is a week of spiritual awakening for some of my friends, and the month of May has come here. So if you are looking for an upgrade in your work area, your businesses, your professions, it will come to you in the month of May. If you were seeking jobs of a higher positions, you can approach people, your friends who are like-minded. If you were seeking for some kind of a spiritual growth and you are wishing to pursue some kind of a course for spiritual growth, Month of May is very auspicious, and for some of my friends who were not in talking terms with their partners, in month of May this flowers are coming towards you. This commitment is going to happen for you in the month of May, because your partner is going to open their energies after evaluating and re-evaluating of this situation. They will open themselves for communications with you, so you do not worry about it. This is a very good week for you to study, pursue any kind of course. I see a male figure who is very dominating, they want to also say. And perseverance, we have a card of perseverance, and I feel that you guys have been persevering through, you have been doing your part very well, and you keep persevering whatever you are doing, because you're on the right path. And there is going to be a relationship change is heading towards you. Yes, if there was a situation wherein you were not in communication with your partner or the person on your mind, they want to give the month of May and highlight that this relationship is going to change. If you were in isolations, living separately, the month of May is going to bring healing for you in this relationship. There can also be manifestation of love and marriage in this relationship. In this week, I feel that there can be a situation of separation. If there is a husband-wife situation, it is possible that your partner is moving away from you in this week, or some kind of a situation is manifesting wherein you are feeling stressed because you want to be with them, but they are saying, or might be from the month of May, they will have to stay away from you for the manifestation of an opportunity of upgrade. So I wish you all the best. All in all, this is a very strong, productive week for you. Lots of love and best wishes. Wisdom is coming towards you. Spirituality is coming towards you. Now we'll move to the next sign, that is the sign of Virgo, and let's see what are the energies for my Virgo friends in the coming week. So dear angels, what are the energies, guidance and messages for my Virgo friends in the coming week? Coming week for my Virgo friends. Some of my Virgo friends with the initial start of this week are feeling very much negative in their head. They are feeling very much tired, choked, and in their mind, body and soul, as if somebody is controlling them. Somebody is absolutely having a total control on their thoughts, their mind, their work, everything. Some kind of a negative mind frame they are having. Some of you can also have face headaches, but then this can be the energy of initial Monday or Tuesday, and thereafter I see that you are going to pursue some kind of healing. Might be you do some kind of meditations, some spiritual detox you are going to do. Might be you read some books, might be you do yoga, or you come in contact with a wise spiritual person who guides you, who throws light on your situation and tells you how you can come out of this situation which you feel is very negative. And then we see a new beginning happening for you. So I feel that there is a situation around you in which you are feeling very much stressed initially. This can be with regard to a certain manifestation, a certain commitment that you want to manifest in your life. It can be with regard to a relationship, or with regard to a job or a business or a work opportunity that you want a manifestation with a big company. Or this can be that you are, with regard to your spirituality, wherein you were taking some kind of healings on your body, and in this week there is time to release what you're holding, whatever negativity you're holding in your third eye chakra. It is time to release that negativity and let go of what is no longer serving you. And so for my friends who are spiritual, I feel that they are going to do a lot of spiritual detox in this week in order to release themselves of this negative mind frame wherein they feel that somebody is absolutely having a control of their life. And I see zodiac signs of Libra, Gemini, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, and Leo person around you. The energies of these person are very, very evident. I see a change heading towards you, dear friends. You're already on 8 and 9, and just a little bit of more healing can lead you to 10 and a new beginning in your life. They say be careful, do not take risks. So be calculative while taking risk in this week. If there is an opportunity that you want to avail, be a bit more calculative. There is a new beginning heading towards you in this week. Just check the documents well before signing the documents. Then they say fly a period of ill health and depression. So I feel that there was a period of ill health and depression for some of my friends, and initially only in the start of the week for Monday and Tuesday. Either it is for you or it can be for a person around you who had a very negative thinking, or might be they were facing some kind of a stress in their body. And this period of ill health initially you can feel for, or some of you can feel a period of period of ill health and depression in the start of the week. And just as you start to take these healings, or you get an advice from a wise person, you happen to manifest love in your week ahead from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and there will be new beginning. So something is ending for you in this week, and there is a new beginning in love sector also. If you people were isolated from your partner, or you were looking for a commitment of marriage, but you had some negative thoughts, please take some healings, come out of this negative mind frame, and then you will be able to get new ideas of manifestations of commitments in your life. Some kind of a commitment is there on your mind, some kind of company, or kind of a person with whom you are looking for whom you are looking for a commitment, or might be an admission in a school or a course that you want to begin. So I feel that this is a week wherein healings are going to be very important for you. You have to be wise. You have to open your upper chakras, your third eye chakra, your crown chakra, and come out of the deep blockages that are there, which are causing you depression also. Yes. So work on yourself, dear friends. Do some yoga, meditation, take some healings, and rejuvenate your energy for welcoming new into your life. That is in the area of love, or might be your job, your personality. Something new is about to manifest for you. So I wish you all the best, my Virgo friends. Moving on to my Libra friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Libran friends. What are going to be the energies of the coming week for my Libran friends? Wow. magic is manifesting for my Libran friends. Wow, let's see. Wow, wow, wonderful. So the coming week is very, very auspicious for my Libran friends, as I see that they are gaining a lot of strength in their mind, body and soul, infinite connections in both these cards. You can see infinite connections with divine. You are very strong, you are very compassionate, courageous. This is a week of a big manifestation happening in your life, and this big manifestation is happening in the life of my Libran friends now, because they have started loving themselves. They are vibrating a certain energy from their body, which is so high vibrational that they are being able to attract good opportunities towards themselves. So in whatever you are going to do in this week, either if there was an interview for you, or there was an opportunity of love that you were looking for yourself, or anything, you are being charismatic. You have all the tools in your hand to manifest what you want to do in this week for yourself. And the universal energies are working behind the scenes, and Archangel Ariel and Archangel Michael are very well connected with you, giving you a lot of bodily strength also in this week for my Libra friends. I feel that in your body also you feel very strong. Okay, so there is a card which has fallen. Let me just read it from here. So the card says deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Okay, so there is going to be a deep friendship with someone of the same sex for some of my friends who are in same sex relationships. This is a very, very good week. For others of my friends, you are going to have some good time with your friends of the same sex, like females having good time with their female friends, and males having some kind of a good time with their male friends. And they say new creative ideas, new ventures and a fresh start. So this is a week of new creative ideas, new ventures and a fresh start. Your solar plexus chakra is healing now, your sacral chakra is healing now. You are feeling very balanced in your body. If you're working on your body also, you're gaining a lot of strength in your body. That's the message that's coming across here. Feeling very beautiful or handsome if you're a male, and gaining a lot of strength in your physical body now. Before that you were feeling weak in yourself. If you are a spiritual person who gives healings to others, or if you're a card reader, you are absolutely going to be like a magician in this week. And the zodiac signs which are going to be prominent in this week are that of Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, and an Aquarian person, and Virgo, Capricorn and Taurus persons who can be. But over here I see that with they say do not back down from opposition, show strength and fortitude. So there can be a situation wherein you have to show your strength, and they are saying that you're very strong in a certain situation. You have internal power. You don't have to fight with your words, with anything. They say that, you know, these Libran people are very, very strong to endure any situation, and you have internal power to overcome any situation. Why are these cards falling down? Oh my god. Okay, so I happen to pick this. Spiritual career. For some of my friends, it is a confirmation that you're heading towards a certain spiritual career, which is your life purpose, which is manifesting for you. Or might be you are coming in contact with some students or some partners who are going to be helping you manifest your spiritual career. Lot of strength is coming towards you in whatever spiritual career that you want to pursue. or expand. This is a very, very beautiful week. This is not a minor week for you. This is a very major week of something, some new venture, some creative idea, a fresh start happening for you. And I will suggest that you keep paying attention to yourself, give yourself love, take care of your food, take care of your body, do your exercising. And yes, for some, yes, this is a time for you to feel proud of yourself, because you have endured your journey, you have gone through a lot, my Libran friends. So the opportunities which are beginning for you at this time, you can feel proud of yourself, definitely. Just that I want to say that, don't get pride, get over your head, but this is a period for you to shine your limelight onto the world. Very, very strong energies around you, and I see good health manifesting, opportunities of love, peace, harmony, health, wealth, prosperity, name, fame, recognition coming towards you in this week. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to my Libran friends. Enjoy thoroughly well. This is a destiny shift definitely happening for my Libran friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Moving on to my Scorpion friends, let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Scorpion friends. Oh my god, I had this burp. Might be clearing the energy of my Scorpion friends. How the coming week is going to be for my Scorpion friends. Wow! Wheel of Fortune. Destiny uplift has already started happening for my Scorpion friends. Why? Because they have started giving love to themselves. Some of them are pursuing some kind of sports, some kind of physical activity you are doing, which is absolutely making you very, very beautiful, or if you're a male, very, very handsome. You are discovering new areas, new passions that you were born to pursue, they say. Some of you have manifested the opportunity of financial independence for yourself. Very, very beautiful time, blissful time. In this week, I feel that there is going to be a phone call, there is going to be a communication that will happen for you. Communication that will happen for you, which will bring wealth. Wealth is going to manifest for my Scorpion friends. For some of my Scorpion friends, it can be an opportunity of manifesting for their properties, might be. For some of my other friends, there is an opportunity of a new business opportunity, which can bring them a lot of wealth. For some of my friends, they are starting something of their own profession now, which is a gateway for them to build new financial opportunities. Then they say successfully overcoming a problem. So there might have been a problem in past which you happen to overcome in this week. So in this week, my Scorpion friends can expect some kind of a communication which will open a gateway for financial manifestation in their life. If they were looking for jobs, yes, that communication can happen for you. And also on a very daily basis, it is possible that you're investing your money on yourself, creativity. Your solar plexus chakra and your sacral chakra are healing. Your lower chakras and your root chakra is also healing. And so now you are bringing your ideas into manifestations. And for some of my friends, if you want to play lottery, it is a good week. Some kind of a money benefit can come to you. If you want to invest in some kind of a property, or shares or something, it is a good week for you. So I feel that this is a very blissful time frame for my Scorpion friends, so they can make the most of it and give yourself love. I feel that you're opening your heart chakra, and so first thing, you're giving yourself love, and so you're opening yourself for the opportunities of manifesting love also towards yourself. I feel that there is a person who is younger to you, who is approaching you for some kind of a love or a commitment also. They want to explore you, have some chats with you, some communications with you. I see the zodiac signs of Leo, Aries, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn very evident in this week for you. Wishing you all the best. Very prosperous week for you. Wealth is manifesting for you in this week. Lots of love and best wishes to my Scorpion friends. Creativity. Your creativity is going to bring you the opportunities of money manifestation in this week. And I had a burp initially, so I cleared your solar plexus chakra. So I wish you all the best. Now we are going to move on to my Sagittarius friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Sagittarius friends. So what are going to be the energies of the coming week for my Sagittarius friends? Let's see. Wow, wish fulfillment. So the week begins with a lot of satisfaction, content and a wish fulfillment for my Sagittarius friends. There was something that they were expecting, might be some kind of financial gain that they were expecting, some kind of destiny shift that they were expecting, which will manifest for them from the beginning of the week. That is from Monday, Tuesday until Wednesday. I see you feeling very satisfied. Might be in your work area or might be with your family also. I see you feeling very satisfied and happy, contented, drinking with your families, partying, having a good gala time, feeling very satisfied with your health also. From the midweek, say from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I feel that there is a situation around you or a person around you from whom you wish to escape from that person, run away from that person, because that particular person or a situation is having a lot of negative energy. So you are wishing to move away from that person for your peace of mind. Yes, dealing and relationship with a woman. This I feel that there is going to be some sort of a dealing or a relationship that you have with a woman from whom you wish to run away. I don't know, this woman is toxic or this woman gives you some kind of a stress. Might be from say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you start to feel this negative energy and you want to avoid this woman, and so you are going to look for excuses. Oh my god, can you imagine? This week is so evident. So there is a woman in this week who is very evident for my Sagittarius friends. Now this woman, they say dark woman, they say dealing or relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. So either this woman has a dark complexion or this woman colors her hair in very dark colors, and so there is going to be a dealing with this woman. There can be a dealing with two women also in this week. Initially, the start of the week, I see you feeling very satisfied and contented, and from the middle of the week towards the end of the week, for some of my Sagittarius friends, I feel that you are very suspicious about this woman having some kind of a relationship, might be with your partner also. And so there is a lot of doubt happening. You are spying your partner or this woman on this media also, everywhere around. Perseverance. So there is a card of perseverance wherein the angels are saying that you have been doing your best, you have been persevering through the situation, and so let Just keep persevering through this week, and this tough situation is going to pass anyhow. But in this week, for my Sagittarius friends, I see that there is a woman, can be two women also, who become very evident, and there is a karmic completion happening for you with the Wheel of Fortune also. I feel that there is a complete karmic completion happening for you. It is possible that there was a woman who was very toxic, who was giving you a lot of headaches. This woman is finally going to leave your life in the coming week. You have been really, persevering through. You have been dealing with her and giving your all, with all your patience you were pursuing through, and there is going to be an end of a chapter, a closure with this woman. There is going to be a quick communication happening, something very fast, which is going to bring some kind of a clarity in this relationship. For some of my friends, there can be some kind of a fight also happening with this person, and eventually you are going to be able to cut your cords and get out of this toxic relationship which you had with this person, who was cheating on you, who was betraying, who was just using you through and through. For my Scorpion friends, so for my Sagittarian friends, so let's see. Yes, this is a very major week for you. Some kind of a drama is going to happen for you in this week. Let us see what is about to happen, and this drama is going to lead to some kind of a destiny shift for you. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Moving on to my Capricorn friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Capricorn friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Capricorn friends. Coming week for my Capricorn friends, beautiful week for my Capricorn friends. For many of my friends who were in isolation from their partners, this is a week from their partners, from their families. This is a week of reconciliation. You are coming back and again meeting, reconciling with your partner, your loved one, your family. For some of my Capricorn friends, this is a week of announcement of a childbirth in your family happening, conception of a child. This is a week wherein your start of the week is going to be very prosperous, successful, and a lot of name, fame, recognition is going to come for you. And then from the mid towards the end of the week, there is going to be a situation of a rebirth. Then they say older woman, there is going to be a dealing or a relationship with an older woman in this week. Might be you are reconciling with your mother or somebody. Then they say someone going out of your life or end of a situation. For some of my friends, it is possible that might be you are separating from an older woman. Might be she is leaving your life, or you are leaving her. There is some kind of a scenario, a separation in a joint family situation. Time out, yes. So this is a time of relaxation for you. So for my Capricorn friends, I'd suggest that you take a break and spend some time with your family. Might be this older woman is not feeling well also, and might be there is a time, might be she is with you for some time only, so you need to give some time towards this person. Some healing is needed. Zodiac sign of Leo, Aquarius, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer are going to be very evident for you. Time out card says that this is a time for you to Give yourself love. Go to the parlors, get some massaging done. uh, Relaxing energies. I see you enjoying a lot with some kids around you in this week, so it's a very, very blissful time to be with family and children. I do see that some of your family members are giving some kind of judgment, or they are giving some kind of a big situation that they want reconciliation for, or there is a situation of re-evaluation happening for you, wherein you're putting light in all aspects of your life. All in all, I will say that this is a very, very major week for you, and you are healing your lower chakras, and there is going to be some sort of a rebirth in your body, that you are going to a situation of rebirth, something that you ever desired in your life in past, but it was not happening for you. This is going to be a second chance of manifestation for you. So very, very major week for my Capricorn friends. Let's see what happens for them. This you know well. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Moving on to my Aquarius friends, let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Aquarius friends. Let's see the energies for our Aquarius friends for the coming week, how the coming week is going to be for my Aquarius friends. How the coming week is going to be for my Aquarius friends. Very, very intuitive week. Listen to your intuitions. If there was a third party situation, the secrets can be revealed in this week. So for my Aquarian friends, I feel that there was a relationship they were trying to build on. And in this week, first of all, I see a very quick communication that is coming towards them from a person who is or might be infatuated towards them, might be their secret love also. And so that kind of a communication is happening for some of my friends. For some of my friends, there is a surprise offer which will come to you for if you were seeking some kind of an offer for a job, business, or your profession. There is going to be a quick communication and manifestation of your soul's desire happening for you in this week. In the area of career, so we see a new job and a new job career. Yes. So if you had taken a reading from an intuitive regarding a certain job manifesting for you, it is going to manifest for you in this week. A job or a career is going to manifest. For some of my friends, if you had taken a reading from an intuitive person who told you that you are going to pursue an intuitive career, you are going to become a healer, or you are going to become a card reader or something of the sorts, and that particular career, new job, or a profession is going to start to manifest towards you in this week. A lot of clarity is going to come. They say clouds, temporary problems. So there can be a situation of temporary problems that are happening in your life at present, and I feel for some of you, you are trying to build on your relationship, might be with your partner. And for some of my friends, they were building up on a project, or might be they were actually building a house, a home, some kind of a construction was going on. And in this week, there can be a temporary problem that occurs, which can be sorted out very well soon after the week gets completed. So yes, dear friends, this is a time of personal growth for you, and you take this opportunity of new job and career which is coming for you, and with your efforts, you are going to overcome this situation which was vague, which was suspicious, which was cloudy towards you. Work on building your relationships. You are going to be appreciated eventually. Work on building your works projects. And here I also see that there can be a situation wherein a certain fight happens with your child also. So the guidance over here is that this is a temporary problem, temporary phase, wherein you are behaving immature, or there is a person around you who is behaving very childish and immature. Might be they drink a lot also, but this situation is going to heal with you from for you, might be in the coming weeks. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. It's a time frame of personal growth for you, which is very good, and new job and career opportunities are coming for you. So moving on to my last sign, that is the sign of Pisces. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Piscean friends. Coming week for my Piscean friends, what are going to be their energies and the energies of the persons around them? Okay. So for my Piscean friends, the zodiac signs of Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Libra, Gemini and Aquarius are going to be very, very evident for you. There is a person around you with these zodiac signs with whom you wish manifestation of, might be love, or an opportunity of new start of work or love with this person. This person is very, very clear-headed person, and what they say is what they mean. So if they are giving you some kind of a commitment, or they are saying something to you, you do not have to be doubting them, because this is a clear-headed person. You can feel that this person is very sarcastic at times, or this person has too many expectations from me, but this person is a clear-headed person. So whatever new opportunity you are getting from this person, see, they say a stubborn, aggressive person. So possibly that this person seems to be stubborn and aggressive towards you. Period of prosperity and abundance. For some of you, I feel that you are going and facing an interview with a person who is a bit stubborn or aggressive. But I feel that they are actually not that stubborn or aggressive as they appear to show to you, because they want absolute clarity from you from the beginning of the relationship, or it can be work related, or it can be relationship based also. Yeah, it's a week of manifestation for you. So whatever this person is asking from you, you have to be very clear about your aspects also. For some of my friends, this is a manifestation of a big time profession, a desire that they were very passionate about, a new job that they were very passionate about. You are going to manifest that job in this week. And for some of my friends, this is a time of manifestation of marriage or a commitment with the signed person who is very clear-headed and who will ask you clearly for what they want. For some of my friends, if there was a health situation that they were facing, I see that there can be a lot of tests that you are going in for, and you need to absolutely going for these tests. You need to absolutely go for this doctor, take the advice and go as per them, and then your health is going to rejuvenate with the help and advice of this doctor around you. For many of my friends, of course, this is a period of manifestation of prosperity and abundance. Your root chakra is healing, your sacral chakra is healing, and a lot of opportunities of material manifestation and stability are coming towards you. So I wish you all the best for this week. Lots of love and best wishes to all my friends on Healing Souls. May God bless all.